3 and Year 4. Mr. Rashid here. Welcome to another celebration assembly, celebrating all the amazing work that you have sent in over the last weeks. This was last week. Really well done again to absolutely everyone who sent in any piece of work, even if it's a piece a day. But again, really well done to those that are consistently sending lots and lots of work in, and those are children that have been awarded Emerald certificate. So without further ado, let me minimize my face and we can straight on with Year 3 Lister. The first one, well done to Logan. Another well done to Natalia. 2, well done Gabriella, an emerald this week. Ladut, well done, another emerald this week. Nikki, well done for emerald this week. Jatin also achieved an emerald. Jayden, lots of great work, also well done to Jayden. Hussein again, well done for your great work. Bassett, well done. And another one for Gabriella. Really good week you had last week, so well done. Moving on to Year 3 Nightingale. First one's for Ameld. Well done, Ameld. Anna, again, I think that's nearly every week for the last few weeks. You too, Danashiri, well done. Another emerald. Casper, really good effort from you, well done. Sabeda, again, consistently sending work in, well done. Well done to Dennis. Poojan, brilliant work. Maha, well done too. Fiona, great work. She had emeralds and golds, well done to you. Another one for Anna, really well done. Another one for Poojan, too, really well done. And another one for Danashiri. Wow, twice in a week. Well done, you three. Moving on to Seacole. First one's for Zachariah. Well done, Zachariah. Another one for Amir. Well done, Amir. Mohammed Raza, again to you this week. Well done again. One for Dima this week. An emerald for Sophie too. Well done. And an emerald for Alana. Really well done. And another one for Jacob. Really well done, Jacob. Moving on to Year 4 box. First one's for Rahmatullah. Well done, Rahmatullah. Zikreya has achieved an emerald. Well done this week. Cole, another emerald this week. Well done. Jalsa, well done. Keep up the hard work. Habiz, brilliant work. Amazing work. Sent in and on spelling frames. Well done. Alia, too. Well done in Parks, Alia. Leah in Parks. Well done. Jewel, again, consistently same working. Well done. Asia, great work from you. Bianca, really well done last week again. Ryan, brilliant work from you. Another one for Habiz, well done. Another one for Alia, wow, brilliant work, well done. And another one for Asia too, well done. Moving on to Year 4 Mandela. First one goes to Rishresh, well done Rishresh. Stefania has done another emerald, well done this week. Shravan got an emerald this week, well done. Munir, great work from you again this week, well done. Agash, well done on your emerald. Ajay, another emerald, well done. Another one for Vishresh, well done. Another one for Stefania, well done. And another one for Shravan, really well done. Moving on to Year 4 Tubman. First one is for Samaya. Well done, Samaya. One for Aryan this week. Another one for Shahak again this week, well done on your emerald. Abdullah has achieved an emerald too this week, well done. Michelle, well done on your emerald this week. Siobhan, really good effort from you, well done. Dikshan, really well done from you. Another one for Aaron, brilliant work. Well done, everyone. So keep up the good work. 2 weeks left, that's all there is left to school before the holidays, so get completing as much learning as you can do, and make sure you send it in to your year group's email address, which I'll put in notes at the bottom of this video. Hope you're all keeping well. Looking forward to seeing hopefully all of you back in September, and keep up the great work. See you.